Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Good morning. So today, what's the topic? Do you remember? What's the fourth topic that we have to do? What's the fourth topic that we are going to see? Are you running on that particular topic? Otherwise, just you have come for time pass. Why you have come today? What is the purpose of your coming today? Okay, there is no class today then. Just go through your topic, then you can come. Right? Close. Close. When they don't have any, then you don't have any responsibility. Then why do you want to take class? Tell me. What is the topic that we have to cover? What is the fourth topic that we have to cover today? Close. What is the topic? What's the purpose of your coming here? Without having any goal, you are just coming and doing. What is the rule, sir? Every time asking you to do bring something. When you people don't know what the purpose of your coming, when you go somewhere else, why do you go there? What is the purpose? When you don't know anything, why do you come here then? I have a lot of work. First one, sir, class. Right. Yes. So, as per the topic relevant discussion, first we are going to see Web of Science. Try to understand. So, this is the page of Web of Science. What all the citation databases are available? Why these databases are to be used by the research scholars? First of all, main databases are citation database. One is Web of Science. Main one is Web of Science. This is the standard database. This Web of Science database covers 14,000 journals, 1400 journals, right? 14,000 journals are covered by the Web of Science. Try to understand. And next citation database is Scopus database. Around 32,000 journals are covered in Scopus. 32,000. Then specialized databases are available. PubMed. This is medical oriented, right? PubMed. This is only, medical oriented journals are covered in it. Apart from the general database, online always available, Google Scholar. Google Scholar, right? So these are all the 4 databases are available online, and Web of Science is subscription oriented. Scopus is also subscription oriented. Google Scholar is freely available online. PubMed is also available online, right? So Web of Science is subscribed by our university. This can be used for literature search as well as citation purpose. Now, as I told you, what is a citation? That comes under the theory in the 5th unit. Still, I recall all those things. Citation means what? Citation means it is the credit given to the author. If I write an article, I may cite the work of earlier published work. I might have cited it, and I might have given properly cited in the place of the review of literature, as well as by using the software tools. Then I will quote their name, bibliographical detail in the reference. Try to understand in the references. But once, if I have followed this properly, that article will be accepted in future in any of the journals, and whether it got published, try to understand, once it got published, then it will run on the indexing system. Indexing system means that indexing systems are followed by Web of Science separately. Scopus separately, Google Scholar separately. Try to understand. They are separate families. Web of Science index only their family journals, 14,000 journals only it will index. It will find out, is there any article that the person has cited in his article. So only the Web of Science journals it will cover and take the citation counted. Then credit will be given to each and every author about whom the article has been referred. Right. So if I write article, I will cite your paper. For example, today, the year 2021, I write the paper and it is accepted in the 2021. Then after, when I submit means I will submit in the month of March, means acceptance will be in the month of August or September, and publication it may come say in the month of December, for example. Then that December issue will be looked by him, and while he prepares our article, it will take time again. In 2022 only his article will be published again, and his article will be published means there he might have referred my article's names. So he will be given, she will be given citation only in the year 2022. So it takes some time according to the indexing system's speed. So what happened? The citation is the credit given to the author, one simply, right? So how many citation has been received by an author is a prestigious for him. How many citation he has received by the author is a prestigious. So that when we go for the citation database, in this citation database, we can do two things simultaneously, as I told you that. One is that now what happened, these metrics have been forwarded up to different level. What are the different level? You know, while you collect the data, for example, if I want to collect the data regarding something, for example, economic growth, for example, economic growth. Otherwise, as you are the science people, tell me any scientific terminology. Tell any scientific. Pardon? Spelling. Spectroscopy. That is okay. Spectroscopy. Am I right? The spelling is right. That topic I want. If I go on searching that, so here you can find that all the years are given here. If we can refine the articles by how can we find this? I mean, quality article now. The article which has received a more number of citation is considered to be the quality article, because when it has, how many people have seen it, how many people have used it for that purpose. Now here the citation has been given 0. Right? It is recent article. As I told you that I cannot say that it is not a quality article. It is quality article, maybe quality article, but it needs some time to read it. In which year it has been published, you know, 2021. As I told you that it has published in 2021, the people need some time to go through the article and give citation, right? So that we need the most cited articles are considered to be the quality article. Am I right on? So that there is an option given in Web of Science, time cited. Is it? Top, time cited. If I click on the time cited, immediately the system will take only the topmost cited article on the top. Here, I clicked on the time cited. What happened? Now the system will show you what the topmost article, 16,571 citation. Okay, 15,571 citation has been given for this article. So that it is the topmost qualitative article in this area. So if we cite this article, we can get some information. It is quality, 100% quality. In such a way we can download. So that is why it is called citation database. These are the old method. Even what happened nowadays, the new method has also come, but it is not in your syllabus. In practical, you can find here usage count. If you click on the usage count, listen to me, this is alt matrix. This is called a alt matrix. What is the current status? That last 180 days, 29% only have cited. That means retrospective value it has half-life period is over. It is not current information. Am I right? Though it has maximum number of citation, but what happened? Usage count in the last 180 days. 180 days means that was before 6 months. Up to recent 6 months, it has only That means somewhat missing here. It is not the correct information, it's not the basic information. So we should look both of the things, right? You should look at both of the things. But even new technology has come today. What are the new technology? You know, let me click on this article. Let me click on this article. I have come to this article now. Now I want to see that article, I mean exact article page, DOI. This DOI copied I go for the next page. This is it. For full text. Even we can look at the full text option also. When we look at the full text option, so it is not available. Full text option is not available. Let me go for some other article now. When we look at two options, straight away option is one is time cited as well as this one, usage count. Yeah. Now I have opened this article at the full text. Even what is the other next method has come, you know, for recent, the scientists look in different way. It is up to the researcher look, but scientists look in different way. How the scientists look, you know, is some other programming. Yeah. This article is not that much popular among the society. This altmetric score. Tweeted by this article has been tweeted by 4 times. 31 patents have been created by this article. So referenced in 31 patents. Those who have got 31 patents, they have referenced this article. Referenced into Wikipedia pages. So what happened in how it is in social media also this article. Try to understand what we write in a small article. You may think that it is only for your PhD purpose. It is not so. Let me show you some other things. Here, for example, I go PubMed now. In PubMed, I'm going to take one article, for example, in the field of cancer. So these are the programs available. That program I just followed that program. Through this program, I have bookmarked that program. How many citations did how many social citation? Around 32,000, 40,000, that much of super articles are available. Alphabet score. By 27 outlets, reference in one policy, sources created by 31. Facebook, it has been shared. In such a way, while you collect the reviews, what happened, these databases will help you to find out what is the status in the social media about of this article. So just sharing that article has been published over, you don't think that that article is not quality, that should be in the garbage. While I take vada, I can find your article. That the shopkeeper might have given vada on that your article. So try to understand. So this much of 225 even. It is very less score. Some of the journals, some of the articles have more than okay, now come to the point. So let me show you when the time comes. Right. So what happened while we go for searches in citation databases, we can go this type of search we can do, right? And even citation count, time cited as well as usage count. See here, this paper usage count. The last 150 days, 334 people have been used by this article. Then this article last day 27 only. This article has been 445. So while comparing above this ranking, still this article synthesis of gramophone based managed this article has more number of recent usage. So that what happened, it has current information. Even when you go for this one citation 479, it is more than that. Try to understand. While you collect the reviews, what happened at the time, while you go for this Web of Science databases, this database will help you to find out the quality article in two different levels. One is time cited, another one usage count. Usage count comes under this as a arithmetic score. According to the arithmetic score, it has been shown like this. Okay, so then this article, now the question is that, try to understand, you people are right, what you have to do now. You may have doubt, sir, it is mandatory, I have to submit my article in Web of Science. What should I do now, sir? What should I do now? How to find my relevant article journals in Web of Science? Okay, now just have a look at the screen and do it your own, right? What you have to do, type it. Now you should type in your Google, JCR. Just type in your Google JCR 2019, just like this, JCR 2019. In Google, type JCR 2019 and make a click. It will take you to this page. Just to type in Google JCR 2019, right? Because 2020 is online. One, it will take some time to be shown on that JCR 2019. Have you come to this page? Yes. If you have done it properly, it will come to this page. Everybody, right? Are you online? Are you online? Just to type in Google JCR 2019, right? This page will come automatically. This page, most of the people have gone there. Have you all come here, right? Now you are doing your practical, right? Don't copy me. You are doing your field. I don't know what field you belong to. I don't know, because hereafter you are going to face your own problems, right? What I am going to do now, I will just I go here. What happened? Now I will take you to online. Even I will come with you. Even I am also coming for online. Now you might have typed JCR. While you typed JCR, it will take to this page. I'm also following you. Yeah, this page has come now with the PDF, right? JCR 2009 PDF. Yes, are you there? Now listen to me. As the basic, I don't know, as you are the newcomers, you want to publish your articles in Web of Science, is a mandatory. Am I right or not? Just Control F, right? Control F. Yes, scroll down. Right? Now, Control F. What subject you belong to? For example, I am chemistry, right? I am physics. Just to type, for example, I want, for example, I am the chemistry student. Especially my field is what chemistry? What chemistry? Sometimes organic chemistry, right? I am typing organic chemistry. Right? I just type organic chemistry. That screen will show me that there are 27 articles in Web of Science available regarding organic chemistry. Or simply, if you even Not only organic chemistry journal you needed, any chemistry journal. Simply if you put chemistry, it will show number of journals. Try to understand. What you people have to do, sir, how to start my work at the beginning, sir. I want to publish, I want to target my journal in Web of Science. How to target my journals means from the beginning, you should go JCR. When you go this page, you will find this here. Organic chemistry, 27 journals are there. Now, let me see. The first journal is shown here, Advances in Organic Chemistry. Am I right? I will copy and paste in one Word file first, right? And again, second journal, this one. In such a way, I will first target my journals, all the relevant journals. Thereafter, are you able to follow me what you are doing? So thereafter, you should go straight away in Google to that particular journal page, and you should see that journal guidelines. Whether the journal guidelines and your temper will match means you can submit your paper to that journal. Try to understand how to target your Web of Science journal. That's what I have told you. Am I making myself clear? So here, while you go for these databases will help you to find out what are the relevant journals for your subject area. Any doubt from anybody up to this? Right? Tell me. So actually your field, as this PDF you have opened that, once you have opened this PDF, thereafter you should go, particular PDF page, then Control F, in which you should just give field name. Even organic chemistry, either you can go straight away organic chemistry, otherwise even chemistry journals also relevant to you. Biochemistry also relevant to you, whether the number of journals are very less, you can choose all those things, and the list is given here. You should copy this list. Thereafter, you should go to that particular journal page and find out the journal guidelines. So what is your major problem? Whenever I ask the research students, sir, there is a mandatory for publishing article, Web of Science Scopus. Are you ready? I don't know, sir. I asked my guide what all the journals are available. He doesn't say anything. Hereafter, you should not ask anybody else. You yourself have to decide which journal I have to focus on. So you should go and find out. Whenever you have the time, you should list down all the journals and go through it. And how to go find out just the suitable journal thereafter, sir. You should open the page. Try to understand. You should open the page. For example, one journal, for example, I just open one journal, any one journal. Otherwise, I will show you that one article up there. Because I want to show you one thing here. How to target which journal will be the best for us. How can we fix it? One more thing, note down here. This also impact factor. Impact factor, even impact factor, Web of Science impact factor. If you type in Google, Web of Science impact factor, it will take you to this page. Next, Web of Science impact factor. Another method. One is from this. This one JCR, through JCR. Another one, Web of Science impact factor 2019. Area. Have you come to that page? Web of Science impact factor. No. So actually, journal impact factor. Otherwise, you just type journal impact factor. Journal impact factor. Google itself. Then it will take to the Web of Science. So something slow, otherwise it's stuck, I think. Yes, everybody is using. Okay, see, even if it opens to my, the way I would show you. Has anybody got that page? Journal impact factor. Journal impact factor, that's what. Yes. Journal impact factor. Once you come here. Yeah, I mean, just type impact factor, just type at the top in the link impact factor, just type on the page impact factor for journals.com. Impact factor, don't in Google, I'm talking about link page. Link page is the impact factor without any gap. Impact factor journal.com. Impact factor journal.com. Impact factor journal.com. Just type in the link impact factor journal.com. Yeah, it will come. Has anybody got it? She has got, I think. Impact factor journal.com. Okay, otherwise leave it, no problem. We will look at it later because net is very slow now. Then, now listen, thereafter, otherwise, one more method. What can we do? You know, in the same, we can find out number of journals relevant to our subject area in Web of Science. Can you do it now? Can you find out your own journal, your subject journal by in Web of Science very easily? This is one method. Otherwise, what happen? Your guide, otherwise somebody will just suggest you some name of the journal, right? And show this is the journal. This is the journal. You can submit your paper in this journal. This is Web of Science cover indexed journal, but you should not believe it. You should not believe that it will be true. We should cross check, right? Unless otherwise we cross check, we cannot find it, because so many fake journals are there. So many predatory journals are there by the same name. So if you get one journal, immediately you should go for, and even you might have received some mail. This journal is indexed in a Web of Science, but you should not believe on it. You should cross check it. What you have to do in Google, again you have to just type master journal list, master journal list, master journal list. Just type master journal list. When you type, it will take you to this page, the result page with the Web of Science, top one, Web of Science master journal list, M. Clarivate, right? This page will come. If you click on the, if you type master journal list, the first link will come, master journal, Web of Science master journal list, Web of Science master journal list. If you click on that, it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page, in which what we have to do, in which master journal list first available. Here, master journal list. If you click on that, here it will show you the search page. It will show you this page. Actually, it might have taken to this page. Yes, I have come. Yes, this page might have come, right? Here, search journal. Now, tell me if you have any name of the journal. For example, I have a name of the journal. I want to find out whether that journal is available or not. For example, this journal I am typing Journal of Cytometrics. Journal of Cytometrics. Just I clicked on the search journals. Journal of Cytometrics. I just clicked on it. If the journal is really available, if I have that print copy or the copy of the journal, I would cross check. I would cross check whether that particular journal ISSN number and the result ISSN number will be the same, right? If it is not available, it's still reading. If it is not available, it will show no result found there. If it is available, it will show with some model. I will show you here. If you cross check, it will show you like this. If I type here, it will bring the result like this. It will bring the result like this with the border. You cross check any journal's name. If you have any name of the journal of your subject relevant, you just check and cross check it, right? So unless otherwise you do all those practice, most of the research scholars often come and say that I have published this paper in this journal, sir, as my senior has told and other somebody has told it, but somebody says that it is not the Web of Science journal. So finally they start weeping and other saying that. So that before that, when you start your practice, you should do all those check properly. You should cross check, then only you can go far, right? Yeah. Now what happened? I typed only journal of which one? Journal of Cytometrics, but it shows something else. Whole net Journal of Cytometrics and Information Management, then Cytometrics, Journal of Cytometric Research. This is available. Journal of Cytometric Research is available, but not Journal of Cytometric Exact is not available. If I cross check, if I want to cross check, means I have to which one? Cross check with this ISSN number with the publication which we have, whether it is not matching. You can understand that it is fake journal, it is predatory journal, otherwise it is called cloned journals, right? One class we have, well, how to write your articles at the time. How can you find out all those things? We should understand. Okay. So this what you have to be very careful. If it is available, really it is available. For example, just I will change that title now, Scientometric Research. Journal of Scientometric Research. If it is really available, it will show you with a result in different order. See how border has been given. Yes, your exact searching has been given with the border. Right? Blue color border will come and it will show that this journal is available. So that you should have two options. One, if you think that I am very blind, I don't know what all the journals covered in Web of Science means, either you can, what can you do? Straight away you can go and find out from the JCR, you can bring all those things, right? You can select and then you can, yeah, that is the open option and it will be the best option I will tell. And if you have any name of the journal particular, and if you want to cross check, this is the way you have to cross check whether the journal is available in Web of Science or not. So now the Web of Science problem is solved. Am I right? Let us go for the Scopus now, right? And one more thing, while before going that, leaving Web of Science, I would tell you one more thing. Yeah. In this chapter, in this topic, we have one more point, impact factor. So actually, impact factor value. Impact factor is the main thing that you have to identify the journals. Try to understand. Impact factor in Web of Science. So how the impact factor is calculated for a journal? The impact factor is calculated, try to understand, by dividing the number of current year citations to the source item published in that journal during the previous 2 years. Site score 3 years. Now, how it would be? Let me show you that. For example, I want to find out the impact factor of the journal published in 2020. Previous years only that will be calculated. 2020 impact factor, how it is to be calculated, you know. Previous 2 years, 2020 means 2018, 2019. So for that journal, how many citations that the journal has received in these 2 years? Try to understand. How many citations that particular journal has received in the previous 2 years? That means 2019, 18 and 19 citations divided by number of article published. Number of article published in that journal in the previous 2 years. In 2017, for example, 50 article, 2018 50 article, 2019 50 article, 100. Then citation it might have received, for example, 500 citation that the journal has received in this for the previous 2 years. That is known as, so divided by this, what the answer comes, that is the impact factor. For example, current year citation means for 2019 means 2018 and 2017. So how many citation it has received? 80 citation. And how many articles have been published in this previous 2 years? So 60. So 80 by divided by 60 means this is the answer. 1.33 is the impact factor of that particular journal. It is calculated so. Am I making it clear? So now try to understand impact factor of the journal. These are the bogus impact factor given in every journal. In maximum journal, they will show claim, site factor, general impact factor, global impact factor, Global Institute for Scientific Information Journal impact factor, International Society for Research Activity ISRA, Scientific Journal impact factor. These are all the terminologies they are using to make you confused about of the impact factor. Try to understand. We are talking about which database? That fellow only has the right to claim the terminology. If you don't follow all those things, you will be easily cheated and you will be asked for author processing charge, APC, about $600. It is around 12,000 to 14,000 in rupees. and you will be just cheated and your money will go off, and finally you will not be getting, I mean, able to submit your thesis, and finally they said it is not covered in. Try to understand. Are you sure about, I mean, are you clear about of Web of Science database now? So how to collect the data, what are the things to be taken, how to find, target your own journals, right? How to target your own journals, as well as how to cross check the journal. If anybody wants to recommend, you should cross check immediately. You should have this idea. Nobody has told you so far, and nobody knows it. Simply submit, publish, where to publish, how to publish, no recommendation, no anything, nobody says. Right, understand? And further, next we are going for Scopus. Let us go for the Scopus channel, right? Just to type Scopus, in Google and come to the page Scopus. Yes. Have you come? Scopus page, right? While you go for Scopus, right? How to collect the data for Scopus? This is actually Scopus, right? Scopus original page. This original Scopus, right? But when you go for your home, it won't be so only two options will be there. Other set of sources. Right? I have tried to explain this now. That's why I have shown again the things are that, but it is original Scopus. We don't have subscription. It's around 50 lakhs. Right? It's around 50 lakhs. Okay. Now this side, how to cross check? For example, even in general Scopus, when you go for Google, if you want your teacher's paper from Scopus, you can click on authors. You can just click on authors, and you can write, you just type the name of the author. For example, I'm just to write my name here, my name, and not the second name. I don't want to write second name, only full name I have written, and affiliation. Which affiliation we are? Hey, tell me which affiliation we are. What? Yes, I just type Annamalai University. Annamalai University. When I go for search, yeah, this is my name, and 12 publication is there in Scopus. It shows this, right? If I click on this name of that here, if I click, you can find what all the, I mean, publications are there under my name. It can be shown. Is it? If you want the particular author's data, you can find out like this. You can find out particular author's publication. You can go like this. Otherwise, yeah, the model has been come here. Now try to understand. If you publish one article, immediately you will be given a Scopus ID. Scopus ID is a prestigious ID. Scopus ID is a prestigious ID like green card. Right? Where is that Scopus ID, sir? In the link page after equal sign, this is my Scopus ID. As every authors, after this equal sign, it will be find that you can find this is Scopus ID. It's given the same 5720, right? This is the Scopus ID. Otherwise, I mean, as it is the full version of the Scopus, it is shown like this. In other version, when the unsubscribed version, it won't show, right? So we can find out the Scopus ID of the individual even while you go for interview, right? At that time, you should show that this is my Scopus ID, right? You should show and you should focus, and you can get your mark in central universities. This is noted, right? So, right. Otherwise, what happens, sir? Try to understand now how to target Scopus journal for your publication purpose. Is it? Now, open a new page. Open a new page. Here, type SJR. SJR. Just to type SJR. SJR. If you type SJR, it will take you to Skymago journal and country rank. It will bring to you to this page, SJR. If you type SJR, it will take you to this link, right? The first one. Here I am going to just click on this SJR. I clicked on this SJR. It will take you to this page. This page has come, right? Are you all here? Are you all here? Yes. Now, sir, I want, as I told you that Web of Science are, more quality journals are there in Web of Science, and acceptance rate will be somewhat less because they take only the quality, because the review, blind review, what it is called. A blind review means your name and everything, everyone will take blind review, double review, triple review is there in Web of Science. In Scopus, somewhat diluted quality. In Scopus, somewhat diluted quality. So that, and the options are many. How options are? Number of journals are, coverage is 30,000 journals, I told you, but in Web of Science, 14,000 journals. So that doubling rate that you have Scopus, that's a wider opportunity. Okay. If you say that I have published a paper in Web of Science, means more prestigious. If you say that in Scopus, somewhat prestigious. Am I right? Now, I want journal for my publication. Shall we go? Now, what I want to do, just I scroll down. Now I am going to scroll down. Country and ranking. Skymago journal and country rank. I just click down this one. Skymago journal and country rank. SJR, again I clicked this. Click on the country ranking, otherwise it's working very slow. Click on country ranking. One ranking, otherwise journal ranking. I just click on the journal ranking. Yes. Click on the journal ranking. 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 Yes. Click on the journal ranking. Go back and click on the journal ranking. Yeah. First one, journal ranking. Click on the journal ranking. This page will come, journal rankings. Right? Have you all come to this page? Journal ranking. Huh? Now do. Are you the quality researcher? Are you the quality researcher? Right. But I am not the quality researcher. I have a doubt in my mind. Right. First, I will start like that. What I do, what the subject area I belong to, I just click on this, all subject area. For example, I belong to chemistry. Right. I clicked on the chemistry. I click on the chemistry. You go your field now. I just click on the chemistry now. Yeah, I have. Then all subject categories, chemistry, all subject categories, leave it, no problem. Then again, region. I want only the journals published from India. Okay. From India, I just type India. Yes, I have selected India journals only. because they will consider my paper. If I think that all types say, I want only journals. I want only journals. Then it has shown what all the journals, how many journals, you know, there are 17 journals published from India in Scopus regarding chemistry, 1 to 17, right? So what happened? These are all the, see the flag shown at the right side. Okay, flag shown at the right side. And you can find one thing here interesting. What is that, you know? They have never claimed any technology impact factor here. They have claimed the SJR value. Time ago, journal ranking value, the same as impact factor. They never claim impact factor. They claim only what value? SJR value. Right, understand? Even if you find any journal, that journal has said SJR, some number means, sir, it is Scopus journal, sir. Impact factor, IF, something number, but IF, everybody. Here, this is the open action, so option that you can select your journal. Am I right? Otherwise, somebody, your teacher might have told you that if you go for Sri Lankan journal, you may have opportunity. Underdeveloped countries. If you go for Iran journal, Iraq journal, you can select and you can submit your paper to that journal. If you have scope of accepting the paper in particular journals, means you can choose that type of countries. Otherwise, if you are that much quality, go for US, UK, France, like this. Otherwise, don't select any country. Leave it. We will send the paper. So why it is no, most of the research scholars, they send their papers only at the last minute of their submission, 3 months before. Sir, now so far it has not replied, sir. Never comes. I can tell you that in Web of Science, it may take 1 year for accepting your paper. Pure 1 year. Because of reviewing your paper, and the papers will be online. They never expect that you will submit the paper online. For that quality journal means, for this journal, 1000 paper will come. So they will take only the most quality journal from research centers. Right? In Web of Science, they will take only current research, current topic, trending research. They will take only. And you might have, what you might have done, cut and paste. It is understood that is old bakwas, leave it. So that acceptance will take in Web of Science minimum. Publishing acceptance means 3 months, again review 3 months, second review 3 months. In such a way, galley proof of your article will come after a year. So Web of Science in Scopus also around 9 months. So try to understand. If you want to, if you have a plan to submit your thesis in time, means even today itself you start the activity of publishing. And you should target your journal, shoot your journal, and you should do your activity for this one. Otherwise, I'm damn sure that you will not submit your thesis in time. So that you should have a plan earlier. Where your time will be at the time of your submission of your thesis, it will be ready. It will be accepted and you may have your paper on your hands. Otherwise, it will take time in Scopus and Web of Science. And if anybody says that, pay money, immediately 3 months it will be published. It is bogus. It is bogus. What happened? Now listen to me further. If somebody says payment, if you pay some amount, your paper will be accepted. So if it is the case, in Scopus page, earlier Scopus page is there, na? Come here again. Now, one method I have told you, what are all the journals you can find out. For your relevant area, subject area, what all the journals available, from which country exactly, you can go take. This method is different. And somebody suggests some name of the journal. Somebody suggests the name of the journal, and maximum 50% of the journal online which claims that Scopus index. Simply say Scopus index. And you people, they have some logo, Scopus index logo. Simply they will paste in their web page. And when you look at that, oh, it is Scopus index, immediately you will send the paper. Today sent means after 5 days or 1 week, your paper is accepted, and APC is around $600. Otherwise, they will claim with 10,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees. And he said it is accepted. Then immediately you will pay your money. But what happened? That paper, that journal will not be available in Scopus. So what we have to do, if you have any name in a particular journal in your mind, you should go here to this page again, Google Scopus. There you can find sources, right? The option is that sources. Click on the sources. Click on the sources. Once you click on the sources, it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page. In this page, there are an option title. Do you want to cross check with the title, or do you want to cross check with the ISSN number? It will ask, right? So maximum you should cross check with both of the things, title as well as ISSN number. For example, let me go with the title. Now what I am going to do, can you have, do you have any name to be checked in Scopus? Any journal name? Yes. Your voice is not clear. Tell me louder, please. My voice reaches there, but you people don't tell me, eh? Australian Journal of, right? Yeah, it is available. Once I type, it shows right at the beginning itself. If this journal is available, if I click on that, if it is available, it will show again in the same page that journal name as well as full detail about of the journal will be shown. Let me show you. It's reading now. Yeah. Available. Australian Journal of Botany is available. If I click on this, right? Now I clicked, then I clicked on this page, journal name. It will take you to this particular journal details. Now what you have to see, as soon as your journal has, your article has been published, immediately the research scholar has to do one thing. You should take the screenshot of this page, right? The details of will come here regarding this journal. This is the site score, SJR value, SNP value. This came, but why it doesn't come? You have come. Yeah. Yeah, it has come now. Now listen, Australian Journal of Botany. Here, Scopus coverage from 1953 to present. It shows that. Sometimes what happened, 1953 to 2020. What happened? You might have published your paper in 2021. It is considered to be the predatory journal on that level. It will not be accepted. So that this journal, if you are published in this journal, okay, because it is in the present status, right? Even if you have published your paper in 2021 and 1953 to 2021, you may have the claim. While I published the paper, it was there in which one? Scopus. So I should be, my paper, my thesis should be accepted. Right to understand? So that this screenshot you should be take and you have to show them. Is it so or not? Okay. Now, what is this site score and what is this SJR and SNP value? See, SJR actually Scimago journal rank is calculated. How they calculated this value? You know, SJR here number of weighted citation as it is impact factor. Number of weighted citation received by journals in that particular journal in 2019 from ARCP, article, reviews, conference paper. But in impact factor, they will take only journal articles. Right, understand? In impact factor, they should take the citation about a article only. But here in that SJR, they are taking article, reviews, conference paper to the conference paper articles, reviews published in previous 3 years. Previous 16, 17, 18. If it is the case of 2019 value. If we have want to take 2019 means previous 3 years they are taking. As I told you that 2-year impact factor, 3-year impact factor, 5-year impact factor. But there in impact factor only articles are taken. In which one? Web of Science. But here they take the citations relevant to article, reviews and conference paper. And the same number of articles, number of reviews, number of conference paper published in that particular journal for that period, previous 3 years. So, for example, it has received 120 citations for 3 years, 220 total articles, total article review, and this one published. What is the SJR value? 0.545. This is the formula used to find out SJR value. Right? SJR means, what is SJR? Scimago Journal Ranking. SJR. Right? And one more thing is that it has SNP value also. This Scopus calculates SNP. SNP means source normalized impact per paper. Per paper, what is the source impact value? It is calculated, normalized source impact factor. So while they calculate, there are 2 formulas in it. They divide 2 formulas and then accumulate the 2 answer of the 2 formulas. One is the first for SNP, first journal's raw impact per paper, RIP is calculated. First RIP is calculated, raw impact per paper. What is raw impact per paper? You know, for example, 2019 RIP calculated number of weighted citations received by journals, as we discussed earlier, for 3 years. SJR value, right? That is RIP value they have taken. That is calculated. While they calculate for the SNP way, SJR value is taken as the RIP value. What is RIP? What is RIP? Raw impact per paper, right? So this is first they will calculate. For example, 140 divided by 260. The RIP value of the journal is 0.538. Am I right? Then they calculate this one RDCP. Next day, the journal's relative database citation potential in the subject field covered by the journal calculated. What is that? Okay, this is regarding the journal. Right? Understand? Individual quality. In overall subject, what is your position? This journal position. Right? Understand? This is called a RDCP. This individual, I am powerful. Okay, sir. In what way that you are powerful in your family? Among your family members, how you are powerful? That's also taken as a request. That means RDCP. Database citation of potential of a journal subject field. What is the potential, total potential, and DCP of the median journal in the database is calculated. Now, for example, that potential DCP of the journal subject field in the subject field 2080 has been calculated, and here 960 overall median journal. What is the answer? 291. Having taken these 2 data, right? Understand? First RIP value, then this one RDCP value. Thereafter, RIP divided by RDCP, that is known as SNP value. Right? Understand? So RDP value we have got, RIP value 0.538, then RDCP value 0.291, then SNP value is calculated 1.847. So SNP is equal to journal's raw impact factor, liquid, then relative database citation potential RDCP in the subject field covered by the journal. So this is what SNP value, right? So now try to understand. Let me take you to that particular journal. SGR value for this journal they have shown, right? Again, they have focus is very difficult, but this bloody predatory journals claims that 9.864 impact factor. Is it possible? Not at all possible. They are just giving the bogus. How they calculated, sir? They have their own calculation. Rates. They imaginarily said that rates divided by number of publication. It will be always high. Rates mean who will know this? Do you have any data? Citation means citation can be noted down, but there is no any proper data. So that what happened? Let me show you here. So only one journal, medical journal, has a 247 impact factor. Thereafter, next journal in impact factor is 47. There is no big gap in Web of Science. 247, thereafter 47. Then again 20, 21, and you can find that 90% of the Web of Science journals has less than one for that. Less than one impact factor value only. 90%. If you make this page is not opening, otherwise you might have seen that you have opened that page. In this you can find that first journal will show 247. International Journal of Cancer Society like this. The second journal is Lancet. Lancet only 47. Thereafter, that page is impact factor. In mine it is not opening. Actually somebody opened that. When you look at that, so that what you have to do, impact factor value of any particular journal will be very less in Web of Science, because that is true calculation. So now you know what are the impact factor as well as what is SGR, what is sleep rate. Yeah, that's true. Maybe somewhat there is molecular biology, yes, cell biology. Yeah, because why it is high in Scopus means they take review papers, they take articles, they take conference paper also. In one conference, how many papers will be there? One paper. That's why it is high. That's what I told you, that the Scopus is somewhat diluted. Because the value will be high. How? Because they have taken all the things. Right? They have taken all the things. Right? No, that's right. In what way it is right, I told you that. Because they take all the things. For example, if you in one conference, how many conference paper will be? 300, 400. So what happened? This 300, 400 means they might have cited how many references will be in one paper. I don't understand. How this, manipulation will be there. In one paper means, one conference paper means, they might have given at least minimum of 60 references. 300 conference paper means 300 into 60 means how many number? So the citation will be automatically increased. So that what happened, the value will be high there. But in scope, Web of Science, they take only articles. That's why what happened, the less number will be there. Okay, right. Then, as I told you that these are all the things are main measure of the Gonga. This one here. See what we have done. These are the main measure for every research scholars, researchers. So we have taken the measures of all the people. For example, see, this is the topmost profile of our university teacher, Dr. V. Balasubramanian from manufacturing engineering. So let us see. He has scored that much of value, and when we look at the papers, right here, This is the database of our Annamalai University. This is one of the professors from our university. Topmost, value he has scored, as I told you that in Scopus. So in Scopus, this is a researcher IDs regarding Web of Science. In Web of Science, he has published how many articles? Let us see. And what's the value he has scored? The things are very slow. As you were at the first time when you came in here, you were very slow. Now you are activated. Yeah, great. So actually, next database is Google Scholar. This takes, see, there are two main families. I told you that Web of Science. Web of Science, they will take the citations and publications about of their own journals only. They never look at other journals. Try to understand. Even if you have got citation, 25 citation for one journal in Scopus, Web of Science never considered it. It will never take for this one. And Scopus, if you have Scopus citation, more number of citation, whether you have got a Web of Science journal high citation, it won't consider it. It will take calculation of only their journals. But Google Scholar is very general. It will take even Web of Science, it will take Scopus, right? It is not standard database. Why it is so? If I want to show my here, how many citations that the professor has received? 13,223. What is the meaning of that? 13,223 people have written article using his knowledge. Understood? 13,223 people have written article using his knowledge and have given citation. His name has been mentioned in their paper in the reference column. So that's why he has got this much of citation. This citation includes Web of Science, Scopus, and Google Scholar, non-indexed journals also. So that's why his H index is 60. Ideal index is 225. But in the same case, still it is moving. Let me go for this one otherwise. Scopus. Let us go for Scopus. Scopus of that particular author. Even if you want to check anybody's, citation, you can just type Google Scholar citation of what's the name? Vigneshwaran. If you type, if Vigneshwaran has the account, it will show. Right? If you type in Google Scholar citation of so and so some name, it will show. If he has an account, if you type Google Scholar citation of Sadiq Basha, it will show my details. In such a way, anybody's citation can be seen on Google 24 hours. Even Scopus, I will show you. I would have showed you this. So what happened? What is this database? What is the, why it is called as a not standard or not qualitative, not standard means if I want to add any article which has more number of citation, though it is not published by me, I can add. Right? Understand? In Google Scholar, if I want to boost my score, that is called research ethics. Right? But I am not that much, I don't have ethical value, means what I might have done. Simply, I would add some others journal, some others article to my account. What happened? Automatically, my citation will be shown high. How do you know that? That person, see, this is his name is there. It is named, but his name will not be there. Why it is so? For example, if 5 authors, 6 authors has written, only 3 authors name will be shown. Others will be there. I may be in the others. He may think that. That's why what happened? Even Scopus also. No. So because as it is his profile, I cannot do any alteration in his. I can do alteration in my profile. For example, let me show you my profile with some alteration, how to do the alteration. Yeah. Yeah, this is my profile. So here in my profile, as I am very, I have ethical value means all the papers, how many papers, whatever that I have, with this paper, I have this much of citation. If I want to show boost my account, simply this sign is not available in anybody's account. I can see, but I cannot alter it. See, let me show you that here in this professor's account, there is no sign here. This sign is not there. I cannot make any alteration. Only through his name, through his account opening, he can do it. But it has the visibility, world visibility, but nobody can do it. Right? Through my account, I can do it. For example, it is my account. I just click on this, add articles. If I click on the add articles, whatever the articles published under my name will be shown. Right? All the articles published, but all the articles are in my profile. Under my name, it is in my profile automatically. Even if anybody has referred my name, even that will be shown. See, all the articles are there in my profile. Actually, in profile, it is shown that. Yeah, this article, actually, one article, this article, this is also mine. My article, I have not included this thing still so far. I have to include because my name is there in it. This is also one of the article. This is also one of the article. I have not included in it still. Let me show. When I might have included it, no problem. But even somebody's article also I can include simply. That's why it is called a not that much standard. All the articles are so around 140 articles are there. Yeah, see here, advances comparative analysis. This also, yeah, this is also my paper. Even profile of research in engineering. Yeah, now listen to me. This analysis, this article, multidisciplinary research, it is not my article. If I click on this, if I click on this, if I click it, this article will go mine. So that what happened, it is not ethical. But in Web of Science Scopus, it cannot be do. They will do it automatically. Whether it is not our article, it will not be accepted. So see, this is not my article, but this fellow has cited my article. That's why it has been shown so. Even this article also, this article K. Sivakumaran and Sanjeevi, they have cited my article. They have cited my article. But if I click on this article, it will be in my account. Whatever the citation received for this article also shown there. So that's what this one is not standard. Which one? Google Scholar is not standard. And even for Google Scholar database, if you type Google Scholar, Google Scholar database will be open, in which we can go for search. On the last day, I showed you in the literature search in the topic 1, I showed you that how to go for the literature search in the Google Scholar, right? Yeah, this is Pablan page has been opened by, but still the data is not shown. Scopus also, sorry. Right. So this page, Google Scholar page, in which you can go for which one? search for your article as I showed you that again. For example, oxygenation, for example, this, yeah, I want article regarding this oxygenation. If I select, the articles are shown here, PDF. Here, I can go that article. I can check that article, whether it is available. I can check that article. And according to the citation has been given 391, that citation. This is also one of the measures. Citation or overall citation. The citation has been shown overall citation. It may be citation received by Google Scholar or Web of Science, or this one also. See, here I can cross check whether this article is there is no any which score. Altmetric score is 0 for these articles. For this article, there is altmetric score is 0. And it will be also be 0, I think. There won't be any altmetric score for this article also. So that try to understand. Yeah, still it is running. Okay, now see what are the things we have covered. What I have told you, how to go for Web of Science journal, how to find out your Web of Science journal, what is impact factor of the Web of Science journal, how it is calculated. Thereafter, how to shoot your article journals in Scopus. How to take open articles, whatever the articles are available, how can you select? How can you go for SJR calculation? Then next SNP calculation, right? Then Google Scholar also. Google Scholar, I have shown you that, but still it is not the standard database, right? So this is what the topic 4 we have discussed today. Yes, this is the topic we have discussed about. 4th topic, is it? In the 4th topic, indexing database, Web of Science, Scopus, then impact factor of the journal as per the citation. This is what the 4th topic with the practical examples I have shown you that. So you people have to do all those things in the systems and find out your journals. Hereafter, nobody should claim that I don't know. The terminology cannot be used hereafter. I don't know what all the journals available in Scopus about my subject, and this one, that one, you should not say. And even UGC care list. Next one is the UGC care list. When you go for the UGC care list, even when you go for UGC care list, the same. Research UGC care list 2020, it has been given. So when you go for this page, so some of the, all the science people, it is mandatory that Web of Science, Scopus, but only for in arts, some of the departments, they have to go for only UGC care. For them only it will be suitable, not for you, but still. Yeah. When I go for this page, you can find, have a look at this. Group 1, group 2nd, 2 type of groups are available, journals. Group 1st, group 2nd journals. When you click on the group 1st journal, you should understand, listen here. What is that? There are one more journal, cloned journals. There is one more journal, cloned journals. These are cloned journal. Cloned journal means cloning. They have done cloning. Just they have changed a small change in their name of the journal. Otherwise, even the site is changed. Even web link is changed. Even what happens sometimes, if you click on, it will take you to that hacker page and you will be paying money. That money will go to the hacker. Here, for example, original UGC has accepted the journal name ABRU. But what happened? They have given the cloned name Abru journal, and even the ISSN number are the same. Try to understand. ISSN number is also the same, but they people have cloned it. This is called cloned journals. So you should find out whether you should not be the prey for these cloned journals. Here, actually, this journal has no any URL, but the hackers have created the URL for this page, and your money will go to that page, that people. So you will be preyed. Be careful about of that. Now listen. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find out what are the list 1 journal, group 1 journal, and group 2 journals. Actually, group 1 journals. Here, UGC CARE list group 1 journals. If I click on that group 1 journals, it will show like this. You have to create one, login ID, password. Cannot capture net slow வந்தா இப்படி பண்ணுமா சிட்னியை பார்க்கறது இது ஒன்று சிட்னி இது ஒரு சிட்னியா 3 தானே சார் அப்பா okay now listen actually the group first journal list of group first and group second journals when we go for this one let us go for the group first journal search here when you go for this page you should click on this page search group first and group second will be there in the group first again every month you have to check this one here recently added journal you should click on the recently added journal if you click on that it will show what all the journals added recently in this month whether it is relevant to your subject you can take care of right otherwise yeah recently added journal has been given that around 45 journals have been added whether it is relevant to your subject you can go otherwise again in the group first also is there any recently discontinued journals right? By chance, even you might have published, you might have targeted some journal that journal might have been discontinued. You should check whether your targeted journal has been discontinued. But there is no any discontinued journal this month, I think. So this is the method. You can look at this one, UGC CAR list. And group second journals are nothing but a Web of Science Scopus. Group second journals are nothing but Web of Science Scopus. They have said that Web of Science, these 3 index as well as Scopus. So these are the journals. Apart from that, MLA journals. MLA means Modern Language Association journals are also available. These journals are also covered in Scopus, right? So either you can cross check this UGC CAR journals, right? There is no any discontinued journal. Journals found to be involved in nothing. There is no any discontinued journal this month actually. This is called a cloned journal. There is no discontinued journal. These are the, recently added journals may be there. So we can find out this type of things for your purpose, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, and otherwise the topic 4 is over, right? Topic 4 is over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Any clarification, anything else?